Hey again, another hair video, and this time using another toner, which is the T28 of Wella. And yeah, it was that time again to bleach my roots, and I pretty much did. But if you notice, they are yellow. They are in that yellow phase, So yeah, and normally I would bleach again. But the weird part about the T28 toner is that it's asking you to lighten to the yellow stage, not the pale yellow like the rest of my hair. Reason so, I'm guessing because it's a violet and blue based toner, so it tackles the yellow and I think some of the orange tones of your hair. So for this reason, so I'm going to leave it like this. So hopefully it works. My plan is to apply the toner first on my roots, leave it there for 15-20 minutes, but I'm gonna be checking on it. And then in the very last 5 minutes, I will be applying it to the rest of my hair, especially since it's way lighter than my roots for that reason. So everything could be even. So yeah, I'm a little nervous. I'm excited, trying out a new toner. So yeah, hopefully it works out. Right now I'm gonna hop in the shower so that my hair can be damp and ready to tone. Here's my issue. I always buy 2 bottles of toner. So I have 2 T28s and I use 20 developer. But I noticed that I am low on 20 developer. I think it's like this filled up or possibly even lower. So if that's the case, I'm gonna have to use 10, but I'm gonna see. Because I don't want to do mixed stuff like that because maybe I won't get the results or different results than what I should get. So we'll see. Man, same thing. I opened one. Oh my god, it only filled up just one. Bro, no. I'm nervous now. And like last time, I will also be applying the ion pre-treatment. So here you go. This is just one, and it's half with 20, half with 1 developer. So So I just finished putting it on my roots, on the yellow part. I even finished everything. But for sure, for the rest of my hair, I'm gonna have to use the other bottle. And that one for sure is gonna be with 10 developer. So yeah, but I am seeing it change or tackling the yellow. I'm still nervous though, which is kind of weird for, yeah, it's a silver tone. It's a natural blonde T28. It's supposed to tackle the yellow and the orange. So we'll see how that works. Yeah. Alright, so I just finished mixing the second bottle with 10 developer, not 20. So yeah, and this is gonna go on the rest of my hair. A little nervous, but you swear I'm gonna wash it off like this. Just got out of the shower. It's a towel, it's damped, and this is how it looks. I mean, the roots still have like a little bit of yellow golden to it, but it's not that bad. And then the rest of the hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait until tomorrow. Same thing, put a treatment on it, you know, tea tree oil, or I put this and just leave it on, and then tomorrow I will style it. And same thing, take pictures on regular sunlight, and so you can see the actual color, because this is in the bathroom. I mean, this is not legit good lighting. So yeah, it looks fine, but we'll see. This is the results of the T28 Wella toner, natural blonde, used to be called Princess Blonde, and okay, I feel it. I like it. To be honest with you, when I got out of the shower, I wasn't even sure how I felt about it, because I thought that my roots looked a little bit different color than the bottom part, but now, I mean, I don't think it's that much of a difference. I mean, it doesn't bother me as much, but yeah, in comparison to the which one did I use last time? T11? I don't even remember. In comparison to the last toner video I did, this one looks more natural, on the a little bit more on the gray side, but not too gray, and the other one did have like a small hint of like yellow tone, you could say, warmer tone. So yeah, but I like it. I mean, I will put in obviously a video here. Right now I'm in front of my window. This is natural lighting from outside, but I wanted you guys to see how it looks also somewhere here, how it looks on the actual sunlight. Besides using mostly 10 developer instead of 20, that's the only thing I did different. Everything else is like just follow the directions. I'm wondering, if I would have used 20, would it have gone lighter and grayer? I don't know, because the T28 is a silver, so yeah, I'm not sure. I actually don't mind. Like, I like how it looks, like the dimension of it. I mean, I still like it though, so it's pretty. But yeah, I guess this is what would happen if you were to use 10 developer instead of 20. So yeah, if there's any questions, any doubt, same thing, hit a comment down below. But yeah, so thank you for watching.